Welcome to the Social Entrepreneurship Workshop in Cluj-Napoca, Romania. At this workshop, we have 70 participants from 10 countries gathered to develop their skills and knowledge in the field of social entrepreneurship. While here, participants will gain skills in project development, teamwork, and pitching their ideas to investors. Alumni will leave this workshop having gained the skills necessary to take projects home to their communities and build them from the ground up. Over 4 days, alumni work together with peers from around the world to help identify problems and, more importantly, ways to solve them. Participants have developed their project ideas under a global team of leaders, including trainers David and Jan Stillwell and 6 senior FLEX alumni. We want our alumni to know that they can step out of their comfort zone, find purpose in making the world a better place, and be the first step in a global movement toward helping others. With the beautiful city of Cluj as a starting point, we can't wait to see where our alumni's ideas and passion will take them.
Passion, impact, and a lot of hard work. This is what these days in Cluj-Napoca have been about. Thank you very much for coming to our country. Thank you, FLEX Alumni, for how you're trying to change the world. Keep up the great work you're doing.
For most of the participants, this is the first time when they came to Romania, so we wanted to make sure this is the greatest experience they could have. They're learning, they're having fun, and it's a great experience.
Did you like it?
Yeah! It's so great to see so many people wanting to improve their communities.
We're learning new stuff about social entrepreneurship, having fun, meeting friends from all over the world, and getting these connections in different countries.
I am genuinely so impressed by these young people and their great ideas of how to make the world better.
It's such a cool place and a nice workshop. This is perfect beginning for and a place for new projects to be implemented in 10 European countries.
I think it's great that there is this opportunity where people are united by one idea, and that's how the leaders are born. So I'm very happy and thank you so much.
The projects our alumni implement are always making a positive change in their local communities. So we are grateful to have them all here in Romania doing their projects and bringing new ideas to their local communities.
I'm so inspired to be here and hear about all these great ideas the participants have.
I'm so proud of every one of these amazing young people. They're so smart, talented, have great, incredible ideas. Beautiful country. Everybody's been so warm and friendly, including all the staff and everyone here. So I'm having the time of my life and I don't want it to end.
I was so excited to do it, but I got up on top of it and was like, whoa, this thing's big!
Wow, I am so impressed with all of these FLEX alumni. They're amazing. And I really feel like from this time here, the ideas they're coming up with, the way that they're learning, the way they're engaging, the passion I'm seeing inside of them to be able to change the world, to change their communities is amazing. Look out, world. FLEX is going to come and change things for the better.
FLEX Alumni, thank you very much for being here with us. Now, be bold and make your ideas happen. Go change the world.
FLEX